Hi there guys, and welcome to another tutorial from On The Road Shopify Experts, aka Tom, me. And this one, this tutorial's come from a request sent in by a subscriber on a previous video. From the previous video, which is how to set up a post-purchase checkout extension. If you haven't watched it already, please go and watch that first, because it will provide more context on what we're about to do here. And I'm going to probably skip a few steps just for the sake of the video on this, so you probably will need to recap on the previous video. So just going to dive right in. I've already done npm run dev on my checkout extension. I've also copied in the new dev URL. So essentially what we're going to try and do here is, when the checkout extension loads, what this is doing is sending a post request to our API.offer file, and essentially in here we need to get the access token from the request we've just sent to this file. So essentially how we're going to do that is, I'm going to remove what I've already done, because I'm not going to lie to you guys, I did try and record this video previously and it all went wrong. So yeah, I'm getting used to this recording stuff, I've got to admit. So what I want to show you here initially first is console log dot session token. Done this the opposite way around. This is how many times I've done it. And save that. Then what I want to do here is refresh that page, and then I should be able to show you what a session token response looks like. So it looks like this. What we're going to want to do is, down the line, is pull the shop domain from this session token and use that shop domain to then find our access token from our shop. So when you install your app in your checkout extension onto your store, then basically what Prisma does here, in the Prisma file, it creates a schema.prisma. It creates a database view, which essentially holds every session for your app, which means you can track certain things. So what we can do here is track every access token when our app is installed onto a store, which is essentially what we want. So what you guys need to do is type in unique next to the shop, next to the shop string, and then you guys want to go to the pre-dev and go npm run pre-dev. So I've already done this because I've had a failure of a recording last time. npm run pre-dev. And that will set up all the essentially the pre-settings for your schema file. So then what that means now is, from what I made earlier, again from the previous tutorial which went wrong, is we can use this function here, so the get access token from shop, because what we're going to do is here we're going to go const. We're going to call it shop equals session token dot, where are we going, input data dot token dot shop dot domain. We will just console log that just in case. And then what we're going to do here is const the access token. We're going to console log that, just so we can keep track of it. And we're going to just change that so we can keep track of it a little bit easier. Save that. So now I've just done all that in QuickTime without really explaining it. What I've done there is constant the shop domain here. I've also constant logged it just so I can keep track of, make sure it's put in through properly, which it probably will. I'm then going to pass that domain so through to this function here, the get access token through here, which then is going to basically passing it through this function, and we go in finding each session, and what we're going to do is through the Prisma database we're going to go find unique shop and make sure it matches the shop domain that we're passing through this function. If it matches, then please return the Shopify access token. If not, just return as null, nothing. So theoretically this should work. If we refresh the page, okay, so I think I got this bit wrong. Session token, input data. Look at me, be an absolute idiot. There'll be some of you screaming at your screen right now, shouting at me saying that you noticed that ages ago. So now, basically, I wasn't putting through the shop domain properly here, so that's probably why it didn't work. So if we refresh this page now, we've got a 200 response, which is optimistic, and then yeah, so access token is being pulled through here. So then what we can do from here is, what we will do, we can use this access token here, and we can passing it through this get offers function, or we can use it in any instance that you guys might need to use it for. But what we will do in the next video is we will pass it through the get offers function, which is located here, and we'll use this so we can dynamically pull this product data from our shop. So what we will do in the next video, we'll create two meta fields for our product, which is in the cart, so this product here, and we'll call it upsell product and then downsell product meta field. And then what we can do then is dynamically pull that through, and we use whatever's in those meta fields as the upsell, the downsell for our post-purchase checkout. So that's how we're planning to use this access token, using Shopify GraphQL mutations and queries. But again, now you can get the access token. It means you can do loads of other things with your extensions or apps. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. Any other questions, please let me know and leave them down in the comments. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys.